Hey, I'm Buddy, your partner in making your child's learning journey meaningful and device free within the safety of your home. Well, who am I? I'm your holistic guide to a step by step kit designed by experienced educators to handhold your child's education journey in their foundation years. Let's unbox it all then. To begin, I have theme-based monthly lesson plans. Theme-based monthly lesson plan booklets that take care of the academic benchmark across subjects like maths and English. Themes like my senses, different materials, my body, my family, food, and in math, concepts like numbers and cardinality, measurement, data handling, a list of 50 well-researched library books. These are some of the must-reads for 3 to 4-year-olds to ensure they grow a love for reading, develop the much-needed linguistic skills, and enhance their ability to focus. 19 sight word stickers to build vocabulary and relating it to their immediate environment. A set of 10 picture cards to increase vocabulary as well as language skills. Illustrative alphabet flashcards so your child recognizes and associates letters with pictures for a better understanding. 22 action cards to build their vocabulary and help them understand actions. 100 illustrative number flashcards to make your child understand and evaluate numbers better. 200 colorful and interactive worksheets for concept enhancement as well as to use it as a formative assessment. 100 counters. Count, sort, and make patterns to develop logical thinking. Set of tangrams to develop problem solving and higher order thinking skills in your child. 50 ice cream sticks to help your child explore the limitless realm of imagination. Excited already? Then let's get connected.